I love pricing. Don't you? So if you don't love pricing yet, it's probably because you haven't been exposed to its power and its beauty. So let's start with what is pricing? Think about that to yourself. What is pricing? Well, pricing, it turns out, is a whole bunch of different things. And let me talk about just a few of those real fast. Pricing is powerful. We had McKinsey come in last week and showed us that if we could improve our pricing by 1%, we would increase our profitability 9%. This is huge. That is the power of pricing. Pricing is emotional. Pricing is specific. It turns out that no matter what industry I talk to, they have different pricing problems. And it turns out that every single business unit in here, every single product line that I work with, has different pricing issues. Pricing is specific to you, and yet we try to generalize it. After we've gone through our product definition, our product development, our marketing, somebody has to sit down and put a price on it. Pricing is the grade that we give ourselves after we've done all of our product development. And what is pricing? It's that thing that captures value. So now many of us have heard of what's called cost plus pricing. And let's talk about cost plus pricing really quickly. This is the awesome example of cost plus pricing because what happens as soon as we see an announcement that says the price of oil has gone up another $10 a barrel. The price at the pump goes up almost the same day. That is cost plus pricing. Their costs go up, their prices go up. But think about it for a second. Here you could go and buy Microsoft Home, Office, and Business, have it downloaded directly to your PC, and it only costs you $279.50. What does it cost them to deliver that to your PC? Really close to zero. Cost them a lot to develop it, but it didn't cost them anything to deliver it to your PC. They're pricing based on how much they think you're willing to pay for this product. So this is our key takeaway number one. Know your value. Charge what your customers are willing to pay. This is what we call value-based pricing. Now, when we want to know what value really means, we can break it up into two big chunks. Almost every purchase decision that you make it two different decisions. The first decision is, am I going to buy something in this product category? The second decision, if yes, which one am I going to buy? And what this means to us is when our customers are making this decision, which one am I going to buy? Price has a really big influence. And what we're trying to do is capture the value that we create. So value comes about through differentiation. For us, how are our products different than our competitors' products? Because that's what we can charge for. That's how Apple can charge for their differentiation above and beyond the PC. Differentiation only counts when our customers know about it. Value is perceived differentiation. What do our customers know about our products? And as we're doing our value-based pricing and our value-based selling exercises, we're making sure that we have the ability to communicate our technology, our differentiation to our customers. Different people are willing to pay different amounts. So why shouldn't we charge different people different amounts? And when we talk about price segmentation, that's really what we're talking about, is we want to find ways that we can charge people who are only willing to pay a little bit and still win their business, and still charge people who are willing to pay a lot, get them to pay a lot. This is price segmentation. So how do we do this? We do this using three techniques. One is know our customer characteristics. A second one is think about our transactions. And finally, know our products. We'll talk about products a lot. So our key takeaway number two, charge less to customers who are only willing to pay less. And let's get more from the customers who are willing to pay more. But now let's talk about compliments, because this is a huge deal for us. In the world of compliments, this is all about creating one product that we can use to get our customers to come buy from us, and then making money from additional products beyond that. One of my favorite examples, Disneyland. Anaheim built up around Disneyland. Disney draws in millions and millions of visitors a year, and all those other people make money because Disney draws in all those visitors. 510 acres. The Disney Corporation, very smart. Disney World, 25,000 acres. The little dot in the upper left-hand corner is the equivalent of the 500 acres of Disneyland. Disney owns 28 hotels on this property. Think about what they did. All they said was, we have customers coming because we built this theme park. What else can we build around our theme park where we can make money? That is their product portfolio with compliments. This is the pricing trophy, and this gives us a way to think about pricing overall. At the very bottom, we see the main, what most people think of as the 3 C's of pricing: cost, customers, and competitors. And these 3 C's are things that we don't really have a lot of control over, but we need to understand as we do our pricing. Corporate strategy is another one of those things that we don't have a lot of control over as pricing people, so we want to understand it and make sure that we take that into account. On top of that, everything is about value. How do you guys build value? How do we capture value? It is all about value. Then we talk about pricing strategies, and those are those 2 we've talked about already: price segmentation, having a product portfolio. Sitting on top of that strategy are the 4 pillars that we have control over. These are the 4 things that we commonly use and do to get better and better at our pricing. And at the very top is what we call the pricing cycle. And we see someone is delivering prices to our customers. Prior to that, someone is setting our prices. That's typically you guys are deciding what prices we're going to set. Our ISAs are delivering the prices. And then in a well-run company, somebody's monitoring what's going on and creating a feedback loop. I guess it really is true. I love pricing.